Hello student, myself your English teacher Pradeep sir teaching you today the gift of chapels. Student, in our previous classes we had learned how to read and you have written the difficult word meanings at your home. Today we will try to learn this lesson exactly what is there inside the story. Student आमे आमर नुआ लेसन ए गिफ्ट ऑफ चपल्स रु आमे पूर्वर फास्ट पार्ट और सेकेंड पार्ट्स रीडिंग करथिलु. तो स्टूडेंट आज आमे ए गिफ्ट ऑफ चपल को पढ़िबा आ एही लेसन को बुझिया पाइन चेष्टा करिबा. So student, let us begin. Smiling Rukmani threw open the door. Ravi and Meena rushed out, and Ravi pulled Mridu into the house. Wait, let me take off my slippers, protested Mridu. She set them out neatly near a pair of large black ones. Those were grey, actually with dust. You could see the clear mark of every toe on the front part of each slipper. The marks for the two big toes were long and scrawny. So here what happened? A smiling Rukmani threw open the door. Ravi and Meena rushed out, and Ravi pulled Mridu into the house. That time Mridu told, wait, let me take off my slippers. Then she set them out neatly near a pair of a large black one. Do you know that black ones were those were grey, actually with dust. Okay, you could see the clear mark of every toe on the front of the each slipper. The marks for two big toes were long and scrawny. Okay, student. Then Mridu didn't have much time to wonder about whose slippers they were, because Ravi dragged her to the backyard, behind a thick bitter berry bush. There, inside a torn footwall, lean with sacking and filled with sand, lay a very small kitten, lapping up milk from a coconut half shell. We found him outside the gate this morning. He was mewing and mewing. Poor thing, said Meena. It's a secret. Amma says Pati will leave for our Padu Mama's house if she knows we have a cat. Okay, Pati means here grandmother in Tamil. Okay, student. Here you see there is a cat drinking milk from the half coconut shell. Okay, student. So overall what happened, ମୁଁ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଟିକେ ବୁଝେଇବି. ଏଠି ଯେତେବେଳେ ରୁକ୍ମଣୀ ଗେଟ୍ଟାକୁ ଓପେନ୍ କଲା, ତେବେ ରବି ଆଉ ମୀନା ଭିତରକୁ ଆସିଲେ. ଆଉ ଭିତରକୁ ଆସିଲା ପରେ ରବି କାହାକୁ ମାନେ ପୁଲ୍ କରୁଛି? ମୃଦୁକୁ. ମୃଦୁକୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପୁଲ୍ କଲା ସେତେବେଳେ ସେ କହିଲା ଟିକେ ୱେଟ୍ କର, ମୋର ସ୍ଲିପର୍ ଅଛି. ଆଉ ମୃଦୁ ସେ ସ୍ଲିପର୍ ଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟେ ଲାର୍ଜ ମାନେ ବଡ଼ ବ୍ଲାକ୍ଟା ଥିଲା, ସେଇଟା କେମିତି ହେଇଛି ସେ ଚପଲ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଗ୍ରେ ହେଇଯାଇଛି, ମାନେ ଧୂଳିରେ ଗ୍ରେ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ୱିଥ୍ ଡଷ୍ଟ. ଆଉ ସେଠି ସବୁ ମାନେ ଟୋର ଆମ ଆଙ୍ଗୁଠି ପାଦ ଆଙ୍ଗୁଠି ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ପଡ଼ିଛି, ପୁରୁଣା ଚପଲ ଯେମିତିକି ଆମେ ଦେଖିପାରିବା. ଏତିକି ଭିତରେ ମୃଦୁକୁ ଆଉ ସେତେ ଟାଇମ୍ ନାହିଁ ଯେ ସେ ଚପଲ ଉପରେ ଚିନ୍ତା କରିବା ପାଇଁ, କାହିଁକି ମାନେ ରବି ତାକୁ ଆଉ ସେ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ୟାର୍ଡ଼ ମାନେ ପଛରେ ଗୋଟେ ବିଟର ବେରି ବୁସ୍ ଅଛି, ସେ ବୁସ୍ ଆଡ଼କୁ ସେ ଟାଣି ନେଲେ. ଆଉ ସେଠି ଦେଖିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଛିଣ୍ଡା ଫୁଟବଲଟା ଅଛି, ଆଉ ସେଠି ପୁରା ସେକିଂ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଫିଲ୍ଡ ୱିଥ୍ ସ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ. ଆଉ ତା ଉପରେ ଗୋଟେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି, ଗୋଟେ କିଟେନ୍ ବସିଛି, ଆଉ ପୁଣି କୋକୋନଟ୍ ହାଫ୍ ସେଲ୍ରେ ସେ ମିଲ୍କଟା ଖାଉଅଛି. ଆଉ ସେଠି ଦେଖିଲେ ଏ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ପିକ୍ଚରଟା, ଏ ବୁସ୍ରେ ସେ ଫୁଟବଲ ପୁରା ଛିଣ୍ଡି ଯାଇଛି, ଧୂଳି ଭର୍ତ୍ତି ହେଇଛି, ତା ଉପରେ କିଟେନ୍ ବସିଛି, ଆଉ कोकोनट सेल रु से मिल्कटा पिउछि. So it's a secret. Amma says Pati will leave for our Padu Mama's house if she knows we have a cat. So people are always saying, telling us to be kind to animals, but when we are, they scream, "Oh, don't bring that dirty creature here," said Ravi. Do you know how hard it is just to get a little milk from the kitchen? Pati saw me with a glass in my hand just now. I told her I am very hungry. I want to drink it, but the way she looked at me, I had to drink most of it to throw her off the scent. Then she wanted the tumbler back. Pati, I'll wash it myself. Why should I put you to trouble? I told her. I had to run and pour the milk into the coconut shell and then run back and wash the tumbler and put it back before she got really suspicious. Now we have to think of some other way to feed Mahendran. So who is Mahendran? Mahendran, this little kitty's name is Mahendran. Mridhu was impressed. It was a real name, not just a cute kitty cat name. Actually कौन है जी माने एठी that people used to tell Ravi कौन कहूँ माने people सब कहते be kind enough to animal हाँ पशु पक्षी को दया कर किंतु जतेबेले से माने पशु पक्षी को पालिबा पाई नियंती सेतेबेले से माने हे छी 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 ए कौन ये गोटे डाटी जीव को धरी पळे आसीच हैं एमिति कौन आनीच बोली समस्ते हमको आउ कहती आउ से जतेबेले तांकू मिल्कटा पीवा पाई दिया हैला पति देखुचंती किंतु एठी कौन माने होची माने आउ पति से मिल्क को से किटी कैट से माउस को सॉरी बिलेई को देवा पाई से चाहूथिले किंतु आउ पति ग्रांड मदर ओके से भल्लरे तांको ऊपर को देखुचंती आ से कहउचंती जल्दी पियो सेटा मते दियो आ से टम्बलर से ग्लासटा को मु वाश करी सेतेबेले से रेफ्यूज करछंती रवि को ना ना मु वाश करबी आपण कहीं माने कष्ट पड़े मु जाइकी वाश करदेवी कहीं से मिल्क टू नहीं से कोकोनट सेल रे देवा पाए चाहूँगी आउ दे करी से टम्बलर को धोईकी आउ जमती कि ताकू फेरे देवे एंड हियर नाउ वी हैव टू थिंक ऑफ सम अदर वे टू फीड महेंद्रन आ एठी तो प्रॉब्लम आम किटी कैट को माने मिल्क देवाटा बहुत माने डिफिकल्ट हाँ अल्प क्षीर कौन हे हाँ से महेंद्रन हेले महेंद्रन किए इंटरेस्टिंग दिस लिटिल किटीज नेम इज महेंद्रन हाँ ये माने जो लिटिल किटी इज देयर तो इट्स नेम इज महेंद्रन सो मृदु वॉज इम्प्रेस अरे 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 महेंद्रन इट इज अ रियल नेम एटा तो रियल नाटा एक्चुअली हिज नेम इज महेंद्र वर्मा पल्लवा पूनाई means MP Punai for short if you like. He is a fine breed of cat. Just look at his fur like a lion's mane. And you know what the emblem of the ancient Pallava king was, don't you? He looked expectantly at Mridu. Here the real name of na kon ache kitty na Mahendra Verma Pallava Punai means short form रे MP Punai. तो आउ यही कैटा गोटे स्पेशल ब्रीड रो आउ कहीं माने तार फोरटा लाइक लायन हाँ आउ जो पल्लवा एंशिएंट किंग्स थिले तांकर एम्ब्लेम थिला आउ यही मीन्स लाइक लायंस ओके सो मृदु गिगल think I am joking. Well, just wait. I'll show you sometime. It's clear you don't know a thing about history. Haven't been to Mahabalipuram, have you? He said mysteriously. Well, when our class went to Mahabalipuram, I saw a statue of his tatas, 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 etc. etc. Fact is, Mahendran here is descendant from that very same ancient cat, a close relative, scientifically speaking, of none other than the lion, the Pallava lion, emblem of the Pallava dynasty. Ravi went on walking around the bitterberry bush, waving a twig up and down, his eyes sparkling. This cat is a descendant of none other than the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat, and if I may just remind you, they worshipped cats in ancient Egypt. ଏଠି ଦେଖ ଆମକୁ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟିଂ ମିଳୁଛି। ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ ଜକିଂ ଭଳିଆ ଜୋକ୍ଟା ନା କ'ଣ? କାହିଁକି ମାନେ ସେ ରିଦୁ କ'ଣ କହୁଛି, ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ଆମେ ଯେଉଁ ମହାବଳୀପୁରମ ଯେଉଁ ଆମର କ୍ଲାସ୍ ସ୍କୁଲଟା ଯାଇଥିଲେ ବୁଲିବା ପାଇଁ, ଆଉ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିଥିଲୁ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟାଚ୍ୟୁ, ଆଉ ସେ ଷ୍ଟାଚ୍ୟୁ ତାତା ମାନେ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡ ଫାଦର ତାମିଲରେ, ଡିସେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ମାନେ କମ୍ସ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ଦ ସେମ୍ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି। ଓକେ, ସୋ ଏଠି ମହାବଳୀପୁର ଯେଉଁ ପଲ୍ଲବା ଲାୟନ ଏମ୍ବ୍ଲେମ୍ ଅଛି, ଏ ଯେଉଁ ମାନେ ରିଷି କେଟ୍, ଆଉ ସେମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଏଇଟା ତାର ଡିସେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ଆଉ ଆଉ ସେ ରିମାଇଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛି ଯେ ଏନସିଏଣ୍ଟ ଇଜିପ୍ଟ, ପୁରାତନ ମିଶ୍ର ଲୋକମାନେ ଆଉ ଏହି କେଟ୍କୁ ବା କେଟ୍କୁ ସେମାନେ ପୂଜା କରୁଥିଲେ ବୋଲି। How he loved the sound of his own voice, Meena and Mridu exchanged look. What does that have to do with anything? Mridu demanded. Ha, I'm telling you, this cat is descended from the Egyptian cat god. No goddesses. Bastet. Yeah, that is it so. Well, one of the descendant of that cat goddesses was a stowaway in one of the Pallava ships, and his descendant was the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat, whose descendant is Ravi flourished his twig at Mahendran. MP Punai here. Oof, he shrieked, very pleased with himself. तो एठी डिस्कसन चलची कौन जे एनसिएंट इजिप्शियन माने याकू पूजा करुथिले, आउ से केट मानक भितरु गोटे केट, ए जो ऋषि केटटा पल्लवा शिप्रे पळे आसीथिला, आउ से सेठी रहि जाइथिला, आउ तांकर जो डिसेंडेंट हैला ए एमपी पुनाय। ठीक अछि। तो here Mahendran looked up Alram. He had just been sharpening his claws on the edge of the coconut shell, but worse than Ravi's awful hoof was a screech from the window. What a weird sound! If Mridu was startled, MP Punai was frightened out of his wits, hair standing on end. He bounced up and scurried towards a bamboo tray of red chilies that had been set out to dry. Trying to hide beneath it, he tipped a few chilies over himself. Meow, he howled miserably. The screeching went on and on. What's that noise? Said Mridu. That's Lali learning to play the violin, grunted Ravi. She will never learn thing. The music master just goes on playing like a train whizzing on and on, while Lali all the time derailing, going completely off track. ଏଠି କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି ମାନେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିପାରିବା ଯେଉଁ ଏମପି ପୁନାଇକୁ ସେମାନେ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଡିସେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଇଜିପ୍ସିଆନ୍ ଗଡ୍ ବୋଲି ସେମାନେ କହୁଅଛନ୍ତି। ଏଠି ମହେନ୍ଦ୍ର ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖିଲା, ଆଉ ତା ଚାରିପାଖରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ କିଟ୍ର ଚାରିପାଖରେ ବୁଲିଲା, ସେ କିଟେନ୍ଟା କ'ଣ କରୁଛି, ତାର ଦାନ୍ତ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଧାଡ଼ କରୁଛି, ଆଉ ସେ ତା କୋକୋନଟ୍ ସେଲ୍ରେ ସେ ଏଡ଼୍ଜରେ ତା ପଞ୍ଛାକୁ ଧରି ବସିଛି। ସେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଶୁଣିଲା, ଆଉ ସେଠୁ ସେ ବୁସ୍ ଭିତରକୁ ଆଉ ଗଲା। ଆଉ ସେତେବେଳେ ବେମ୍ବୋ ଟ୍ରେରେ ରେଡ଼୍ ଚିଲି ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଶୁଖା ହେଇଥିଲା, ଆଉ ତା ତଳେ ଯାଇ ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ହାଇଡ଼୍ କରିବାକୁ ଗଲା, ତା ଉପରେ କେତେ ଚିଲି ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ପଡ଼ିଲା, ଆଉ ସେ ପୁରା ନଏଜ୍ କଲା। କିନ୍ତୁ ଯେଉଁ କ୍ରିଚିଂ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଥିଲା, ଯେଉଁ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଶୁଣି ସେ କିଟିଟା ଚକି ଯାଇଥିଲା, ସେଟା ହେଉଛି ଲିଲିସ୍ ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ ଟୁ ପ୍ଲେ ଦ ଭାୟୋଲିନ୍। एठी सॉरी लाली लाली वायलिन आउ शिखुची तांकर टीचर आसिछंती म्यूजिक मास्टर तांको म्यूजिक गुरु आसिछंती किंतु एठी कोन होची प्रॉब्लम होची लाली से आउरी ठीक रे से बजे पानी से आउट ऑफ द ट्रैक कंप्लीटली ऑफ द ट्रैक ओके सो तार म्यूजिक चलची सो एठी आमे ओवरऑल कोन देखलु स्टूडेंट माने एठी रुक्मणी घर भीतर को रवि मीना मृदु आसचंती आउ मृदु तांको चप्पल गोटे चप्पल पाखे रखिले आ सेंट्री कले पुणी किटेन को देखिले से किटेन उपरे से माने डिस्कशन कले पुणी एटलास गोटे साउंड आसथिला जोटा कि लालिस म्यूजिक क्लास रो आ लाली भलरे बजे पार नथिले तापर सेकंड पार्ट 2 रे हमें आउ एई पाठटी को कंप्लीटली बुझी नेबा ता पूर्वरु ए जो एक्सरसाइज अच्छी कॉम्प्रिहेंशन चेक अच्छी वी विल डू इन आवर नेक्स्ट क्लास थैंक यू स्टूडेंट फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो टेक केयर बाय।